everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So we decided to go ahead and get a head start on Christmas. We began by making some gingerbread cookies, and we got these cookie cutters from Amazon. I decided that the best thing to go along with these cookies was some coffee, but my sisters didn't necessarily agree, so they decided to go ahead and make some hot chocolate. The cookies turned out so good. We made 18 in total, and they were basically all gone by the next day. So we decided to start decorating, and we had a lot of decorations from when I lived alone in Dallas, and so now that I moved back home, we went ahead and put up all my lights and my little mini trees. So my dad also went ahead and put my wreath up. So this is us putting up our Christmas tree. Well, technically it has been up the whole year, so we just went ahead and decorated it with all of our mismatched ornaments. Now this is our main living room. This is where we usually watch all our movies, and we decided to put my Christmas tree from when I lived in Dallas, and all of the ornaments, the lights, and the tree are from Amazon as well. And of course, instead of being like any other normal family and watching a Hallmark movie, here we are watching Dateline. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!